So, you zoom out a little bit, it says Randy, follow the arrows.
Wait, what'd that one say?
Turn left. So you follow them, turn. Turn right. Whip a shitty. There you go. P-brake. Ta-da! It's the show house. So when you zoom out,
Wait.
this is his prop. There's the show house.
Rodney needs more to do.
He was born on Friday. Everybody had gone, nobody was here.
And he made a freaking, what is it called? A
Maze?
what